Have you ever wondered if your income is on track for your age? Are you earning what you should be, or are you falling behind? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of income distribution across different age groups. The statistics we will share are majorly from North America and Western Europe because of consistency and accuracy. We'll be looking at the low, median, and high income ranges for men in each age group, from late teens to those nearing retirement. But here's where it gets really interesting. We're focusing on what it takes to reach the top 0.1% of earners within each age bracket. Get ready to have your mind blown, because some of these numbers might surprise you. Whether you're just starting your career or you're a seasoned professional, this video will give you a better understanding of where you stand in terms of income and what you can potentially achieve. So let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the youngest age group, 16 to 21-year-olds. We're talking about those just dipping their toes into the workforce, maybe landing their first internships or figuring out the whole side hustle thing. In this age group, a low monthly income sits around $750, which translates to about $9,000 per year. On the higher end, we're looking at around $3,000 per month, or $36,000 annually. To crack the top 0.1% in this age bracket, you'd need to be pulling in an annual income of around $90,000. Even at this early stage, there are young entrepreneurs, freelancers, and side hustlers out there already making significant strides financially. Whether it's launching an online business, offering freelance services, or finding creative ways to monetize your passions, the possibilities are endless. Moving on to the 21 to 25-year-old range, we're entering the territory of early career development. At this point, many are transitioning from part-time gigs to full-time positions, maybe even landing those coveted entry-level roles in their chosen fields. On the lower end, we're looking at around $1,250 per month, while the higher end sits around $4,500 monthly. This translates to an annual income range of roughly $15,000 to $54,000. The median annual income for this group falls around $31,000. For those aiming for the top, the 0.1%ers in this age group are earning a cool $150,000 per year. This age group is all about building momentum and setting the stage for long-term financial success. As we move into the 25 to 31-year-old bracket, things start to get really interesting. This is a pivotal period where many are transitioning from entry-level roles to more specialized positions, taking on greater responsibilities and really starting to hone their skills. The income range in this age group reflects this shift, with the lower end starting at around $1,850 per month and the higher end reaching $6,500 monthly. This translates to an annual income range of approximately $22,000 to $78,000. The median income for this group sits around $50,000 per year. To join the ranks of the top 0.1% in this age group, you'd need to be earning a whopping $275,000 annually. This age range is all about making strategic decisions that will set you up for long-term financial success. All right, let's talk about the 31 to 35-year-old age group. By this point, many individuals have established themselves in their careers, gained valuable experience, and are well on their way to achieving their professional goals. The income range in this bracket reflects this progression, with the lower end starting at $2,500 per month and the higher end reaching up to $8,500 per month. The median income for this group sits around $60,000 per year. For those aiming for the top, the 0.1% in this bracket are earning a staggering $350,000 per year. Entering the 35 to 41-year-old age group, we're talking about individuals who have typically spent a significant amount of time in their respective fields. The income range for this group reflects this mastery, with the lower end starting at $35,000 per month and the higher end reaching a substantial $10,000 per month. The median income for this group sees a further increase, reaching $65,000 per year. However, those in the top 0.1% are earning a remarkable $425,000 annually. It's about leveraging expertise to command top dollar, whether it's through high-level consulting, executive positions, or successful entrepreneurial ventures. Moving on to the 41 to 45-year-old age group. If you're finding this information helpful, All I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. The 41 to 45 age group, we're seeing the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and strategic career moves. These individuals are often at the peak of their careers, holding senior-level positions, running successful businesses, or managing substantial investment portfolios. The income range for this group reflects this peak earning potential, with the lower end starting at $3,850 per month and the higher end reaching an impressive $11,000 per month. The median income for this group sees a continued upward trend, reaching $75,000 per year. However, those in the top 0.1% are earning a remarkable $700,000 annually. As we reach the 45 to 51-year-old age group, we're entering a phase where many individuals are not just focused on their own financial security, but also on building a legacy for future generations. The income range for this group remains strong, with the lower end starting at $3,850 per month and the higher end reaching $11,500 per month. The median income for this group holds steady at $85,000 per year. However, those in the top 0.1% are earning an astounding $800,000 annually. Finally, let's talk about the 51 to 55-year-old age group. At this stage, many individuals are starting to think about retirement, or at least transitioning into a new phase of life where work-life balance takes on greater importance. The income range for this group remains solid, with the lower end starting at $4,000 per month and the higher end reaching $12,500 per month. The median income for this group holds steady at $80,000 per year. However, those in the top 0.1% are earning a substantial $750,000 annually. Do you believe that income benchmarks are essential for financial success? Or do you think they create unnecessary pressure and unrealistic expectations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, these figures are just a guide, and individual results may vary, depending on a wide range of factors. The key takeaway here is that regardless of your age, there are always opportunities for financial growth and advancement. Thanks for joining me on this insightful journey into the world of income, and I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and motivation to achieve your own financial goals. Until next time.